Imagine turning bubble wrap, a mundane packaging material, into a thriving art business. Artists globally are reshaping perceptions by creating stunning pieces that captivate and inspire. By popping the traditional use of bubble wrap, these innovators craft intricate sculptures, vibrant paintings, and immersive installations that challenge the norms of contemporary art. Their work not only provides visual delight, but also raises awareness about recycling and sustainability. Entrepreneurs have embraced this quirky medium, hosting workshops and selling unique art pieces online. This blend of creativity and business savvy shows there's potential in even the most unexpected materials. Who knew popping could lead to profit?